Korella Saffron Capsules are being promoted as a natural way to boost energy, mood, and performance. But the real question is whether they actually work, or if it's just marketing built around a real ingredient. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Saffron is a real, studied ingredient, especially for mood and stress support, which can indirectly improve energy levels. However, here's the key point. Korella itself is not scientifically proven. Only saffron in general has limited evidence. There are some limited positives. Saffron may support mood and reduce stress, help with mild fatigue, linked to low mood, improve overall mental well-being. This can make you feel more energized over time, but it's not a stimulant or direct energy booster. That said, there are major concerns. First, no product-specific proof. There are no clinical trials on Korella itself, only general research on saffron. Second, exaggerated claims. Marketing often promises restored energy, improved performance, faster results. These are much stronger than what saffron is actually proven to do. From real user discussion about saffron supplements, most capsules are filler with small amounts. This highlights a common issue. Quality and dosage matter a lot. So, does Korella Saffron actually boost energy? Not in a strong or direct way. The bottom line is this. Korella Saffron Capsules are a real product based on a legit ingredient, but heavily overhyped. They may help with mood and mild fatigue over time, but they won't deliver a noticeable or immediate energy boost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.